Hi guys,
Hello.
welcome back to our channel. Hey Stephen, do you know our company is not modernize, not provide the whole part of elevator. We also supply the spare part for our customer.
Yeah, you're quite right, Leo. We can offer the spare parts such as the gearless motor, safety gear, speed governor, buffers, landing doors, and the cabins.
Yeah, all of our safety component and spare part are qualified ISO certificate, UR certificate, and TUE certificate.
Really?
Also CE certificate.
Wow, it's amazing. I'm sure that our visitors are already very interested in our WinOne's products. For now, how many countries we are exported now?
Well, up till now, there are over 70 countries using WinOne's elevators.
Really?
Yes,
That's great.
I'm proud to say that too. All of our customers are very satisfied with our products as well as our excellent service.
Well, it's great.
Yes.
As I remember last time I went to the Singapore, I have taken the WinOne's elevator in a high-end business building in there, and
Yes.
it's very luxury and the design is
Yeah.
very special, and I never seen it before in
Yes.
anywhere else. I like
Yes.
it very much.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Thanks Stephen for using our WinOne elevator experience. Now we move to talk about the safety components. WinOne door panel and cabin panel can use the different type of material such as stainless steel, mirror, e-chink, and plywood, and so on.
And what's more, Leo, we can make customers' own logo and images according to
Yeah.
their requirements in different colors, like golden titanium, rose gold titanium, black titanium. We know that we won't pay much attention to the product's safety, and we have fireproof function. That is our fireproof door. There are two standards in the fireproof doors. One is 60 minutes, the other is 90 minutes. If you need more details about such kind of elevators, please feel free to contact us by our official email, which is overseas@winone.cn. I'll keep waiting. Thank you.
Yeah, Rachel, I heard you
Yes.
mention about motor few minutes ago. Can you tell more about it to our audience, please?
Sure, I'm pleased to introduce the advantage of our manufactured motor. Firstly, our motor manufactured through special design scheme and advanced manufacturing process. The braking work noise is controlled with 52 decibels, totally 10 decibels, far less than the national standard. And WinOne successfully applied the pattern with this special design. Second, the use of fully sealed no-noise special bearings can avoid the risk caused by bearing oil leakage. So, WinOne elevator motors are maintenance-free and environmentally friendly. Third, the motor seat and rear end cover are designed as an integrated structure, and the brake wheel and magnetic yoke are designed as an integrated structure too. The double integrated structure can improve the process and assemble accuracy, reduce the shaking with the elevator when it is running. So WinOne's motor offers perfect performance during operation. It is very stable and powerful. Last but not least, the brake lead-out is designed with a built-in structure, which can efficiently prevent the main unit from heating the power lead-out during handling or lifting process and causing linkage.
Thank you, Rachel, for sharing
You're
us
welcome.
about the advantage of WinOne's motors.
Yes.
WinOne's motors got a very good reputation from our overseas market, and we will focus on the development and the research in the future in this area. And
Yes.
Leo, do you know that we have in our Singapore project,
Yes.
our WinOne energy saving efficiency can up to the A class in the project, and we got this certification. And,
Yeah,
and for the past 2 years, WinOne's elevator will upgrade our motor about the power consumption in a very good efficiency. And after you do a lot of the modernization projects in Hong Kong, could you tell me what's included in the elevator modernization?
Yeah, elevator modernization is a process of upgrade the critical part of the elevator in order of it to able to handle the new technology and have a best performance, improve the safety, and also can make the old elevator become more fancy and luxury. Since 2002, our company already start our Hong Kong and Macau customer to
Yeah.
modernization their elevator.
Yes.
We already have more than 15 projects.
Okay.
Those projects such as more than 20 years old apartment and
Good.
and hotel and public school.
Schools.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for example, in some tropical area like Thailand, Malaysia,
Singapore.
Singapore,
Yeah.
right. Over there, the weather is very hot.
Yeah,
So
it's hot.
so we can help them to install the air conditioner inside of their old cabin.
Oh,
They
that's
cool down their
cool.
temperature.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Also, we can custom make the LOP.
Oh, what's this, Leo?
This
You're
this
showing
one,
us this?
this one is our company's standard LOP.
Oh,
Over here, this one we're using the hairline stainless steel materials.
okay.
And also, when the customer they want to put their own logo over here, we can help them to make. And also, we can make a different pattern over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So,
Rachel, I have a
Yeah.
question to ask you.
Yes.
Do you know what is the button for?
let me see. Is it a switch?
Yes.
A lock switch. You can use the key to turn off the elevator and turn
Yeah.
off the elevator when there was no passenger.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Right.
you.
And Leo, I want to ask you one more question. That
Yeah, true.
in this part,
Okay.
you use LED or use the LCD?
Yeah, we can use both. It's up to our
Oh.
customer.
Ah.
And we can choose the different color. Yeah.
It's customized.
great. It's
Yes,
great.
It's great.
Yeah.
WinOne has a lot of the customized to
You're right.
to
Yes.
as our customers' requirement.
So Leo, as to your experience, how long does it take to finish one elevator's modernization?
It's normally going to take 4 to 5 weeks to finish.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's not a long term.
yeah,
Right?
but it's quite depend how many floor and how many step the customer, the old elevator. And after we receive your order, we will send the data to our engineer, and then they will calculate the time, and they will give the best solution to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
And
good.
also, if you don't know how to measure the data, we can send the engineer
Okay.
to your country to help you to solve the problem.
But you know, Leo,
Yeah.
nowadays the situation is not very good because of the coronavirus.
Yes.
So how to make the modernization if I want?
I think we can use the WeChat radio call
Okay.
and then show them directly.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Yeah, Rachel.
Yes.
If somebody want to do the modernization and just only to renew their system, and
Okay.
the cabin and the doors they think that they are still looking good,
Okay.
and they don't want to change that. Is that possible? It's just to modernization the system, but not of them, all of them.
Yes, of course they can. Our engineer will go to the project site first to check and inspect the components' running performance first, and then the design engineer will make a modern scheme. You know, nowadays the control system is very intelligent in WinOne elevators. With using the integrated control system, the power consumption is greatly reduced. And what's more, the performance for the elevators speeding up and speeding down make your travel much more stable, smooth, and steady.
And I want to ask you too about the one question that
Yes.
when you do the modernization in Hong Kong and Macau, what kind of the experience that you met the problem in the real project you made to meet the problem?
Yes. Sometimes our customer, they don't want to change their old motor, and then it's very difficult to match the new system. So we need to spend more time to figure out how to solution the problem. Yes.
That's great.
Yeah.
And as I know that in Hong Kong, the the most lift we can use is only in 20 years, but
Yes.
some of them is only 15 years. The government will need them to change the
Right.
elevator, right? And as I know that the government will give some reward, maybe some refunding to
true.
the
Yes.
owner or to the elevator agent to do the modernization. That
Yeah.
is that true? And then your customer will be willing to change their system or maybe to change their elevator to make a new one?
You're quite
Yeah.
right, Stephen. Yes, our company have many customers from the Hong Kong market and Macau markets, and they replies that the government will offer them some support for the changing modernization for the old lifts. So, yeah.
And also our company have a very professional team for modernization.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and I know that in Malaysian market and the Singapore market, because they are the same, similar with our Hong Kong's market.
Yes.
So in the future, in the Malaysian market and the Singapore market, there will be a lot of the modernization project in there, and I'm sure that
Yes.
our WINONE engineer can make it better because we have a lot of experience in the Hong Kong market
Yeah.
and Macau market, right?
True.
Yes.